Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. I'm back home in California right now, and I decided to do my hair. And in my last video, or one of my last videos, I was talking about one of my New Year's resolutions is to actually try new products. Y'all know me, I'm used to my like tried and true, what it do, boo. But I was like, why not get started on some of my resolutions early? You dig? So I picked up some of this Dr.Locs Imani locking spray. Get into the Christmas smells while we're here. And this is a natural alcohol-free hold for locks. And after you wash, shampoo, whatever, you're supposed to shake well and then spray on your new growth and basically retwist. Of course, it says it works best with like the other products in the line. I didn't pick those up because I honestly just picked this up on a whim. But I was like, why not try it? It's so cold. I don't even feel like having my hair wet. Like it's that cold right now. But I love y'all and I'm here for y'all. This ain't for me, it's for y'all. No, I'm playing. I haven't retwisted my hair in a hot tamale minute. And I'm not even gonna retwist it fully right now. I am gonna do my little 6x6 finesse, if you know what I'm saying. My hair is clean, but I did just go in and re-wet it because last time I washed it, I didn't style it or anything. I just rocked out with it like this. But this is what it is looking like. Is this bright enough? I got this ring light. Thanks, mamita. Why does my mom have this like 6-foot ring light? I'm not sure, maybe for her cakes. But this is what my hair is looking like right now. Y'all can see the new growth. Yeah, it's been a second. Damn, slinker. But I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna do my like probably just up to right here and down the sides like I did last time. I'm not using any leave-in, any other product, because I really want to see how just this works. I don't want no past interference. I don't want no flags on the play. We're gonna see how it holds by itself. I'm really interested to see how it's gonna hold and like what it's gonna do and look like. Primarily because y'all know I either love like the bomb bust slick down full retwist look, or I like the fuzzy wuzzy look. So I'm like, what is this gonna give me today? Like I have the camera at an interesting angle right now and I'm like, how the heck am I gonna look at the mirror and look at the camera? The mirror and look at the camera. I'm gonna figure it out.
Nothing too special. Drunk to the bone when I met you. I don't give a fuck who the next dude. I don't really only see no issues with it. Just one of those nights when you want my back. I don't want no love, you can have that back. I just want that peace of mind, throw it back one time. Up on me like that, I'll be out my mind. Yeah, no love, no love, no love with the boy. She just wanna feel the high, but she ain't made no sacrifice. She gon' go and act sublime. Said she always scrutinized. Problems look small when you at these heights. Down too much ain't no surprise. You ain't got nothing to do if you stayed home. Never gonna be alone. 7 nights in a row. Don't that shit get old? Time thought it was gold. These days my life coming close. They gon' see this when they scroll. Drinking till I'm lying prone, that's all I know.
I don't have any soft bristle brushes with me right now, but I'm wondering if like I was to spray this on my hair, even when I'm not retwisting. Why did I pin these behind my ear? That hurt. If I was to spray the product on my hair and like drag it down and squeeze it in, if that would eliminate some frizz. Also, the product is super lightweight. One thing I'm like thinking about, I don't know how much is I don't know how much is too much or too little. Like I don't know how much I should be spraying, and it doesn't really say. So it has a super duper light scent. I am smelling the lavender and I am smelling the chamomile. I think that it has chamomile in it. Yeah, it says chamomilium noble. I'm smelling that. It just has like a really light, almost like, ooh, I'm in a diffuser type scent. This is what, I'm not mad, y'all. I'm honestly, truly, I'm not mad at it. I'm gonna go to the other side of my head and holla at y'all in a bit. I had to come back real quick because I'm like, do y'all see this shine or am I tripping? Like, I need to wait to see what it'll look like when my hair is dry, but they might be onto something. And we're back. I was having a couple brain farts. It might be because I'm not wearing my glasses right now. But I'm like, am I retwisting my hair right? Anyways, I hope I was. I have finished both parts and I must say, it looks pretty dang decent. I sprayed a little bit extra on the length of my hair and I'm kind of just like dragging that in right now. Put my thing down, flip it and reverse it a little bit, you know? I don't have my hooded dryer here. I'm not sure if we even have a blow dryer here. Everybody in my house has Locs now except for my little sister. And she lives with me, so her blow dryer is at my house in Georgia. But this is what it's looking like. I'm gonna come back in probably a couple hours, an hour and a half maybe, and take these clips out and see if it actually holds, because that's the whole purpose and the whole point, right? It's supposed to hold is the locking spray. So let's see if it's locking. No, I'm kidding. I'll come back in a little bit and show y'all the results. this is what it is looking like. It is very shiny. I feel like it looks super shiny and moisturized. It's still very frizzy on like the actual lock, as y'all can see. I don't know if that's on me or on them. I also have like, I noticed this when I'm retwisting, when it kind of gets that little, you can't really see it that well on this one, but it's kind of like that little bubble right there, like when you can see it's directly underneath the part that you retwisted. That's low-key user error, but I'm like, how can I stop that from happening? I'm not quite sure, but I am definitely satisfied with how it turned out. I can definitely see this being used as like a lighter hold spray, or when you don't feel like getting all into your pomades and your gels and stuff like that. I want to say it feels lightweight, but my hair feels so heavy right now because like it's still kind of wet. So I'm gonna have to tap back in with y'all later to see how lightweight it actually feels. But yeah, I don't mind trying this out. It could be a keeper. Thank y'all so much for watching this video, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.